The Ordinary's Rice Lipids Ectoin Microemulsion is not just another lightweight moisturiser. It's designed to deliver deep, long-lasting hydration in a formula that almost feels weightless on the skin. In this video, we're going to break down what this moisturiser does, how to use it properly, and the key do's and don'ts so you can get the best results from your routine. This moisturiser is designed to support your skin barrier, reduce water loss, and deliver 24-hour hydration without the heaviness of a traditional cream. It's giving you all the benefits in a much lighter, fast-absorbing texture. It is a runny texture, so when you do apply it, it is quite runny. However, it absorbs quite quickly. It's formulated with a combination of water-loving and oil-based ingredients, and it helps to deeply hydrate your skin, support and repair the skin barrier, which we love, reduce visible redness in the skin, smooth any uneven texture, and really just give the skin a more radiant, dewy finish. The key ingredients include rice lipids, which help prevent water loss and lock in that hydration, 2% ectoin, an amino acid derivative that really works on soothing, hydrating, and protecting the skin, natural moisturising factors which support your overall hydration levels, and jojoba oil, which nourishes and softens the skin. It's really ideal for those dry, dehydrated, and sensitive skin, but it can also work well if you want hydration without the heaviness. So using this microemulsion is simple. You want to start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup from your day. Go in with a double cleanse in the evening. Then you have the option of using a toner or essence if you like to use one. Then you want to go in with any water-based serums. Then you want to go in and apply a few drops of the rice lipids and ectoin microemulsion to your face, neck, and décolletage. Gently spread it and press it into the skin, and it should absorb almost instantly. If you have really dry skin, you can layer another moisturiser on top because this just might not be quite enough for your skin. In the morning, you always want to finish with SPF. So this formula also sits quite well underneath makeup, so it will work nicely in your morning routine if you want to use it both morning and evenings. Now here are some do's and don'ts when using the microemulsion in your routine. First, you want to make sure you do shake the bottle well before you actually use it, and use it morning and night for consistent hydration. You also do want to layer it after your serums, not before, and you don't want to rely on it alone if your skin is very dry. So if you have a very dry skin type, you want to look at maybe layering a richer cream over the top of it. Now, the Ordinary Rice Lipids and Ectoin Microemulsion is one of those products that feels really simple, but actually does a lot behind the scenes. So if your skin is feeling dehydrated, reactive, or you want something lightweight that still supports your skin barrier, this can be a really solid option for you to add into your routine. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this product. And if you want to learn more about the Ordinary range, check out these videos here next.